Hey, beautiful babes. Our friend at Scorch Marker sent me this package and I'm really excited to open it up and give this new craft a try. It's, I guess, kind of like wood burning, and I've done wood burning before with like a tool and you have like a wood blank or whatever, but this is a marker. Hence the word Scorch Marker. I think it's like a marker. I've never done it before, so we're gonna open it up and try. A big thanks to Scorch Marker for sending me this because I love trying new crafts. I'm all about that, and it has been a crazy busy month here at my home. We have summer break. All of my kids are usually home, but I have a minute to open up the package and get into it. So let me turn you around so that we can see what's in this package together. Right, so here's our bundle. It says how to use your starter bundle. So we're going to prep, choose our stencil. Oh, and you know what? We can probably use our Cricut to make our own stencils too, which is totally my jam. I want to do that. I want to use my own designs. All right, hold on. Let's see. All right, it looks pretty simple to use and user-friendly. Let's see what we got in here. All right, we have a heat gun, Scorch Marker heat gun. Dun, dun, dun. We can always use a heat gun. It can also be dual purpose for our resin art. All right, now let's see what this is. Okay, here we go. These are our wood blanks. I love using these, especially around Christmas time. So let me put those to the side. All right, and here we have the Scorch Marker Pro. These are our markers, obviously, so we'll be using these. And then here are some of the stencils that they sent me. Okay, so we have some sunflower ones, butterflies. I definitely like these a lot. I think we're gonna go with either this butterfly right here or this butterfly right here. Those are really cute. Alrighty, so here is our heat gun. Here are our instructions on how to use our starter bundle. And then we have our wood blanks. So I'm just gonna pick one of these. Let's go with this one because it looks pretty. I like the shape of that one. So we'll use this. And then we are going to take our stencil. So I'll go ahead and take that out and get one of these markers prepped and our heat gun plugged in. And then we'll get started and see how this works. All right, now let's get into these stencils. I think I want to do, we'll try this butterfly right here because it's so pretty. I'm grabbing one of my heat pads because I definitely don't want to ruin my pretty table. So now we're going to take our butterfly stencil and apply it to our little ornament here, right there in the middle. And then I'll kind of do some doodads around it. All right. So now we're going to take our marker and we are going to put this on here. All right, to get the marker going, have you seen markers like this before where you kind of have to push to get everything going and flowing? These remind me of my acrylic paint pen markers. So we're just going to do this. Okay, there we go. I can start to see it coming down. So we're gonna wait for that to come down to the tip, push it a little bit, shake it a little bit more. All right, and I think we're there. Perfect. All right, so now all you're going to do, it says, is to now color it in. Oh, I just realized there's two different tips. So there's also the foam brush side, which we probably could have used for the stencil, but that's okay. This side could be for writing, maybe come up with like a drawing, anything like that. I feel like this is going to come in handy come Christmas time. All right, that's with this side. Okay, that's with this tip. This is the chisel tip. Hold on, now let's try with the brush side because I'm curious. Oh, okay. Oh, that is way easier. The brush is very soft. See, that is a very soft brush. Okay. What is that? There may be some pieces of foam on there. Well, now that is on there. I may have to get my handy dandy tweezers because of my nails. I love my nails, but sometimes they drive me nuts. Here we go, my handy dandy tiny teeny weeny tweezers. Okay, we're just gonna pick all of this back up and I'm gonna put these tiny pieces here and I'll fast forward through this part. So cute. Hold on, let me get all of that, the little wood pieces off of there. Oh, I love that. Okay, I wonder what it's gonna look like. I'm curious. I just wanna draw some stuff around here. Okay? Let's just draw some little things. Oh my sweet geez. Hold on. Something happened. I swear I barely pushed, but it just came out. You know what? The same thing happens with like your acrylic markers. You gotta be careful. Oh man, okay, well I was trying to go detailed and do some cute little design around here. That's gonna be super pushed in, or super thick there. Magic is supposed to happen, so let's see what happens. Okay. Okay, I see the magic happening in the middle there. Okay. That looks neat. Sheesh! Oh my gosh. That's cute. I just had to laugh because my smoke alarm is super sensitive and this project didn't even put off a lot of smoke, so I'm not sure why that went off. Easy to use, and I think I'll be using it again come holiday time because I could see how this could come in clutch with making personalized Christmas ornaments and all of that cute jazz. All right, let me know what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below, and I will be giving you some more crafty content soon. So as always, happy crafting, beautiful babes.